It's time to budget for April. Hi, and welcome to Well Balanced Wallet. I'm Kamika, and today we're going to budget for April. So let's get right into it. Okay, as usual, first things first, we're going to zero out our next month category because we live on last month's income. And we're starting with $4,076. So for the phone bill, we got some things taken off of the bill so that it is now $61 for both of us to have our phones. We got our internet bill reduced to, it was $118, I believe. I think we got it down to $89. And then we also pay for Philo. So that's pretty much going to bring it back to this $114. So we already have $5 in there. So let's just do 109. And I can snooze this target to make it green. I'm not sure if you're aware that you can do that, but if you have a target set and you don't want to see it saying that you need more money by the end of the month, you can click the snooze the target for this month and it will put this little Z beside it and you don't have to worry about your target being yellow. Okay, so I am a little behind doing the budget, but our electric bill for March just came out today on April 1st. So first we need to replenish that, which would have been $205.06. And now we have our full $230 for April, since we put that money back in from March. And if I go back to March, you can see we put the money here. The bill didn't come out until the 1st. So back to April. All right, for gas, we do $150. For water, we do, it says we need $48.53 more cents. So we'll add that for $55. It's been a little bit more than that, but I'm gonna leave it here and see what it happens to be in April. And we'll kind of adjust based on that. Car insurance is $138.69. So I need to update this target so that it'll have that. Matter of fact, let me do it now. $138.69. Okay, target is updated. Life insurance is $35.13. For my loans, I already have $380 here because I think I mentioned in the last one that I had to recertify. I did that while they were going over the papers. They put my loans in forbearance, so I didn't pay a loan payment last month. But the actual payment is going to be $393.76, and we already have $380 here. So let's add the additional, what is it, $13.76. Perfect. And we can snooze this target because that's the amount that I need to pay. And then Care is still in school, so we just have this here for whenever his loans are back in a repayment status. For the gym, I don't use Philo anymore, but I use a different service that is $25 a month, I think. Yeah. And then for Apple Music, we usually put $37 here. I don't know why all the money didn't come out last month, but I'm sure we'll catch up some type of way. So we'll put the full $37 here. Okay, for mortgage, we are not paying the extra towards the mortgage at this moment, but our mortgage did go up a little bit, and I don't remember what it was. I think it is $13.87. Let's go with that, $13.87. And the payment should come out today, so I'll be able to update this and update the target after we see what the payment is supposed to be. Home maintenance and repairs gets funded as we get paid. Groceries, it looks like I have $131 here, but I do not. We did get groceries last month, but the payment just hasn't come out yet. So that is not what we have. It should probably be at zero. So we'll do, there's 4 weeks in this month. We do 100 a month. not 100 a month, 100 a week. I do that every time. We do 100 a week, so it'll be $400 here. For restaurants, we spent every penny in our restaurant category last month, so we need $150 here. All right, so for spending money, if you notice, I have $172 here. That is because I got some of my wellness benefit, which is once you go to your wellness appointments, you get money back from the insurance company. So I went to 2 wellness visits and I got that money. And then I also had a check from going to jury duty in February that I just got in March. So that is why my spending money is so high, and I need to transfer this money out into my personal account. And if you're interested on how Kara and I have spending money accounts and how we manage the rest of our funds, let me know and I'll make a video about that. But we have $1,315.83, and I need to ask Siri what our spending money is going to be for April. So let's see. Random number between 25 and 80.
The answer is 78.
Ooh. Wow. Okay, so 78 each for spending money. Kara is going to be excited. We've had, I think in February we had $37, and in March we had 38, or maybe it was the other way around. So our spending money has been pretty tight for the last couple of months. So he's going to be very excited about that. Okay, let's see. $1,159.83. And household goods, we need 100. Miscellaneous, 200. We have 50 left from entertainment last month because we went out of town, so we used our treat yourself budget for our entertainment instead of this category. So what I'm gonna do here is, I don't want to skip it, so I'll just put 25 here, and we'll just kind of let that build like a little sinking fund, maybe, if we don't use it. I don't know, we'll see. So we'll snooze that target. So everything is looking good. We didn't snooze this one. Everything is looking nice and green, the way I like it. Okay, where are we? For school, there's $194 in there. We have $834 available. Let's do the 48 for my Spanish. It's actually more than that. Let's do the 205 that it says we need. 205.09, just to make sure we have enough to cover everything. Personal care is $50. We didn't have anything left over there from last month. Christmas account is $20 every week, so that should be $80. I had a random 81 cent left over when I was doing the next month category, so I just dropped it right here. But we're gonna skip new car for now. Car maintenance and repairs is full. Medical expenses is a little low because we had to use some of that. Once per year category, something that we pay once per year came out last month and it was $50, so let's put that back. So we just keep that at 500. Let's see, reimbursements. So we're waiting on reimbursements to put this back up to $100, but that's not something that I fund here. All right, so we have $449.74 available, and I think we can split it between the medical expenses and the treat yourself, because Care is going on a trip, and he's going on a trip over the summer, but he needs to go ahead and book his flight, so we want to make sure we have enough money there. And then I want to build the medical expenses category up to the amount of our deductible. We're on the high deductible plan with an HSA account, so I believe this amount plus this amount will equal the deductible, or as close to it. I can't remember. You guys know I'm not precise with these figures. Okay, so if I put 200 here, and then I'll do the remaining amount in Treat Yourself so that we can go ahead and buy Kier's flight. And it looks like money is already here. I think when we got paid one time throughout the month after the next month category was already filled, we added some money here. And probably in some more categories too. I wasn't even paying attention. But we'll add the $249.74 here. And that is all of our money. I don't think I want to move anything else around today. Yeah, pretty easy budget for April. So now I want to hear from you. How's your April budget coming along? Do you have any trips or anything fun planned? How's your debt payoff journey going? Let us know in the comments below. That's all for this video. Be sure to give it a like, subscribe, and click the link on your screen right now for more Well Balanced Wallet content. See you there.